Hi everyone, welcome to my 3D Lego digital designing course. So before I talk about this course, let me ask you a few questions. Do you love building with Lego bricks? Do you have very interesting ideas to make big Lego creations, but you do not have enough Lego bricks to build that model? So if the answer is yes, then this is the right course for you, because in this course we will be learning how to make Lego models using virtual Lego bricks. We will use a software called Lego Digital Designer, which is a free software by Lego. So at the end of this course, you will be able to design your own virtual Lego model. You will learn a lot of tools which will help you to design the virtual model more effectively. You will be also able to make your own building instructions of the model. And at the end of this course, I hope you will be able to make your own virtual Lego model successfully. So what you have to do now, you just need two things before you enroll for this course. First is the laptop. You just need a very basic laptop, and second is the Lego Digital Designer software. So you just need to Google Lego Digital Designer and you will find the downloading link. So I hope you will enjoy my 3D Lego digital designing course. Thank you. Bye-bye.